I'm Alex Lambert, shortstop, Ocean Lakes High School. And today we'll be going over cuts to the back base when the runner is going to make it to third easily. Ball hit to the right field line. Runner will make it to third, therefore will be thrown to second base. Second base will go out for the cut. Shortstop will cover the bag. Third and first will cover their bags. We're going to try to prevent the runner from going to second. Left field will back up in the third base area, and the pitcher will back up in this general area. Ball hit away from the center fielder. Again, we're going to try to get the ball to second because the runner on first is going to make it to third easily. Again, third and first will be covering their bags. Second will go out for the cut. Short will cover the bag. Left field back up in the third base area again, and the pitcher will back up in the base path area. Same thing applies. It's hit to the left side of the center fielder. Only shortstop will be the cut. The second baseman will cover second. We're trying to prevent the batter from making it to second. Ball hit to the left field line. The shortstop will line up as the cut towards the line. The batter will probably get second easily. If not easily, there'll be a close play. So the left fielder is going to get the ball to the shortstop. Shortstop will either run it in or look for a play if the batter is not at second yet. The pitcher will be backing up behind home plate, and the right fielder will be backing up near the first baseman. Those are the back base cuts.